Hey, hello viewers, and welcome to the channel again. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for always keeping it here. Today we would like to talk about animals, and animals are generally called lay. So today we want to talk about lay, not lee, lay. I have pictures and the names of animals. So I'll just show pictures and tell you the Luo name and the equivalent English name. Alright, let's go. We start with chicken. Now chicken is called gueno. If there are many, you call it guen. So gueno is one chicken, whether male, female, doesn't matter. But if it is, if there are many, you say guen. So then, and then the male, that is the cock is called tuon. Right down there, cock is called tuon, right here. And then the female, that is the female, is called nyaburi. Nyaburi. Right? Good. Now we move on to a dog. A dog is called guok. Guok. And a cat is called nyambora. Some people call it paka, but that is a corrupted name. So cat is called nyambura. Good, let's go. Next is camel. Oh, I did not write the camel. Camel is called oluoluo, but I'll have to check that out. Let me check. Camel is called aluoluo. Aluoluo. Sorry, I did not write that. Let me just include it. Camel is aluoluo. Aluoluo. Aluoluo, that's camel. So let me just bring it up. There you go. Aluoluo. And tiger, giraffe. Giraffe is called tiga. Giraffe is called tiga. Giraffe is tiga. Moving on swiftly. Hippopotamus is called rao. Hippo is rao. Lion, the famous lion, is sibur. Sibur. Lion, sibur. Rabbit, apoyo. Rabbit, apoyo. And then squirrel, aida. Now, I'll have to check with my friends if it is aida, because I think it might have changed. I'm not sure of this, but let's go with aida for now. But you can also comment if maybe you know the name, you're sure of this, you can comment on the comment box. Thank you. And let's move on. Duck. A duck is called a tudo. Ducks is called a tudo or oyoyo. A tudo or oyoyo. Now sheep. Sheep is rombo. Sheep is rombo. Now if you have a male sheep, you call it yim. 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 Then in the fishes, lizard is called ogueyo. But there's also a type of lizard, the small white lizard that, I don't know how you call it in English, but it's called olele. So lizard is ogueyo. The normal lizard is ogueyo, but the small white one is called olele. And then there are fish. I think I'll just do a video that talks about fish, because we have very many types of fish. All the fish are called rech. So all fish fall in the category of rech. I will later on do a video that categorizes all the fish. For now, we shall call them rech. Whether it's a whale, whether it's tilapia, whether it's Nile perch, but they all have different names in the Luo language. All right. Then there is there's a shark, that is a type of fish, and I'll do the video for that. Mosquito is called sona. Mosquito is sona. Alright. Ant. An ant is ochunglo. I know people have been confusing ant and bee, but this one here, the one on the screen, is called ochunglo. And then bedbugs. Bedbug is onyuogo. Bedbug is onyuogo. Good. And I think I will just maybe go through all of them once more, and then we shall be able to later on come back and do another video. Please look for part 2 of this video because there are so many animals and we have to do all of them. Nyaburi, thuon. Guok, nyambura. Aluoluo, tiga. Sibuor, rao. Apuoyo, aidha. Rombo, yim. Atudo, oyoyo. Ogweyo, olele, rech, sona. Good. So just look out for the second video giving us more animals. I have more animals and insects that I have to give you maybe in the next 1 or 2 days. Thank you and subscribe. Bye.